This is our factory, Fashion Nanhai Rongju Machinery. Our factory founded in 2001. We have a professional marketing team and design and production department. It's a professional engaged in shoelaces, rope, weaving, clothing accessories, wire and insulating pipe, braided and other mechanical auxiliary equipment design, production, sales and service in one of the science and technology factory with the high quality and good maintenance system. Our machines are exported to more than 40 countries and regions. This is our production workshop. Our quality, the introduction of the most advanced international technology with strong technical strengths, perfect testing means, modern scientific management to create the best quality professional products. We will test run the machine before shipping, ensure that the machines in the hands of customers are directly available.